2012 BMW X1. We are replacing the remote's battery. The battery that we need is CR2032. This also applies to other BMW X1s from 2009 to 2015 model E84. Now let's replace the remote's battery. Flip the remote over, press on the locking mechanism for the valet key and pull out the valet key. With the valet key out, you'll see that there's a slot or slit at the bottom that we need to put in a flathead so that we can open the access panel. Now be careful, this might pop up. Just slowly, there you go. So the orientation of the battery is like this. And as you can see, it is a CR2032. So let's get our replacement battery and put it in. Okay, with the new battery, just slide it in the same orientation that we removed the old one. Then put back the cover. Make sure it's the same orientation when we removed it. And just lock it in place. Then slide in the valet key. Let's test it. Now let's see if the remote works with the new battery. Lock and unlock. One more time. And that is how to replace the remote battery on this 2012 BMW X1. Thank you for watching.